Transform your mornings. The health benefits of eating 5 Munakkas for enhanced well-being. In the quest for a healthier lifestyle, the importance of starting the day with the right nutrition cannot be overstated. Among the myriad of options available, one simple yet powerful addition to your morning routine is Munakka, or dried black raisins. Consuming just 5 Munakkas on an empty stomach can unlock a treasure trove of health benefits, making these tiny powerhouses an essential part of your daily ritual. From improving digestion to enhancing heart health, the advantages of Munakka extend far beyond their delightful taste and natural sweetness. Here's a closer look at why incorporating Munakka into your morning routine could be a game-changer for your overall well-being. Digestive health boost. One of the standout benefits of Munakka is its high dietary fiber content. Fiber plays a crucial role in promoting smooth digestion by preventing constipation and softening stools, which aids in regular bowel movements. Munakka not only helps to reduce intestinal transit time, but also positively influences gut microbiota, fostering a healthy gut environment. This makes Munakka an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their digestive health and keep gastrointestinal issues at bay. Blood sugar regulation. Despite their natural sweetness, Munakkas boast a low glycemic index, making them an ideal snack for individuals managing blood sugar levels. A study conducted in 2017 found that consuming raisins, including Munakka, can help lower blood sugar levels compared to other carbohydrate-rich snacks. This quality makes Munakka a valuable addition to a diabetic-friendly diet, allowing those with blood sugar concerns to enjoy a nutritious treat without the worry of spikes in glucose levels. Heart health support. Munakka is not only beneficial for blood sugar regulation, but also plays a significant role in promoting heart health. Rich in potassium and magnesium, these dried fruits help lower blood pressure and reduce levels of bad cholesterol, LDL. The same 2017 study highlighted that regular consumption of raisins is linked to a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases, CVD. By starting your day with Munakka, you can naturally support your heart health and contribute to overall cardiovascular wellness. Energy enhancement. For those seeking a natural energy boost, Munakka is an excellent alternative to processed energy bars and sugary snacks. Packed with natural sugars such as fructose and glucose, Munakka provides an instant surge of energy. Munching on a few Munakkas in the morning ensures a steady release of energy throughout the day, helping to keep fatigue at bay and maintaining productivity. Weight management ally. If you're on a weight management journey, Munakka can serve as a helpful ally. A study conducted in 2019 found that consuming raisins before meals helps regulate appetite and reduces overall energy intake. Munakka's high fiber content and natural sweetness work together to create a feeling of fullness, reducing the urge to overeat and supporting your weight loss goals. Immunity booster. As the winter months approach, it's essential to bolster your immune system, and Munakka can play a crucial role in this effort. Rich in antioxidants, Munakka helps combat free radicals that can damage cells and weaken immunity. Additionally, Munakka contains essential nutrients such as iron, calcium, and vitamin C, all of which contribute to strengthening your body's natural defense system. Regular consumption can help keep common illnesses like colds and flu at bay. Skin and hair health. For those seeking glowing skin and strong hair, Munakka is a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with skin-friendly nutrients and antioxidants, Munakka improves blood circulation and promotes cell regeneration, leading to healthier skin. Moreover, iron found in Munakka is vital for boosting hemoglobin levels and nourishing hair follicles, which can help prevent hair fall and promote overall hair health. How to incorporate Munakka into your morning routine. To maximize the health benefits of Munakka, it is recommended to soak 5 dried black raisins in water overnight and consume them on an empty stomach the following morning. Soaking not only enhances nutrient absorption, but also makes the raisins easier to digest, allowing your body to reap the full benefits. Incorporating 5 Munakkas into your morning routine is a simple yet effective way to boost your overall well-being. From improving digestive health and regulating blood sugar levels to enhancing heart health and supporting weight management, the benefits of Munakka are vast and varied. This tiny superfood, rich in fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients, can play a significant role in transforming your health and quality of life. By embracing this morning ritual, you can set a positive tone for the day ahead and take meaningful steps toward a healthier lifestyle. So why not make Munakka a part of your daily routine and experience the numerous health benefits it has to offer?